Time to break through. Join the organizations that have introduced tiny breaks into their team's workdays. This is Breakthru in action. You start by picking the mood you are looking for, push away from the computer, and follow the guide. There is no right or wrong way to play. Your movement makes the sound. Breakthru invites you to set reminders and see your history. Breaks can be sent as gifts to colleagues. Your team can choose energized, centered, joyful, confident, and even take a break together in meetings. You can launch a team challenge. The breaks in Breakthru are good for body and mind, helping teams stay engaged, interconnected, and focused by building a collective break-taking habit. Here are the streaks. Little by little, a little becomes a lot.